How to turn off app suggestions on home screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off app suggestions on home screen. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to turn off app suggestions, which might not be available for all devices, you might have to turn off the app suggestions from your home screen. So find an empty space on your home screen. Long press on an empty space on the home screen. There you'll find something called Home Settings or similar. Tap on that. Then under here, find Suggestions menu. After you find Suggestions, disable toggles for suggestions on the home screen and in the app list. Now the exact steps vary from manufacturers, but it generally involves these steps within your launcher or device settings. And yeah, those are the fix, guys, and that will help you turn off app suggestions on the home screen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.